Cooking and eating the delicious coconut crab.
Hello, food enthusiasts! Today, we'll dive into the fascinating world of exotic cuisine and learn how to prepare one of the most unique and delectable dishes, the coconut crab. Native to the Pacific and Indian Oceans, this crustacean has a unique taste that's often compared to lobster and crab meat. Now let's get started.
What do you need?
The key to an excellent coconut crab dish is its fresh ingredients. You will need 1 live coconut crab, salt, pepper, garlic, lemon, butter.
How to handle a live coconut crab.
Handling live seafood can be tricky. Coconut crabs are no exception. Ensure you handle your coconut crab safely by using thick gloves to protect your hands from their strong claws. 1. Immobilize the crab by carefully placing it in a freezer for about 20 minutes. This will put it into a dormant state, making it safe and easy to handle.
How to clean a coconut crab.
Cleaning a coconut crab is a crucial step. 1. Once the crab is immobilized, remove the top shell, carapace, by lifting from the rear and pulling it forward. 2. Remove the gills and the intestines, which are not edible. 3. Wash the remaining parts of the crab under cold running water. Make sure to clean thoroughly, removing any remaining internal parts.
How to cook a coconut crab.
Finally, it's time to cook. 1. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. 2. While the oven heats, season the crab with salt, pepper, and chopped garlic. 3. Place the crab in a baking dish, then add slices of lemon and dollops of butter on top of it. 4. Roast the crab in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. When the meat is opaque and the shell has turned bright red, your coconut crab is ready to serve. There you have it, folks. A simple yet flavorful way to cook and enjoy coconut crab. Don't forget to pair your dish with a refreshing tropical beverage for a complete island experience. Whether you're an adventurous eater or just looking for something new to try, this coconut crab recipe is sure to be a hit. Enjoy your meal and see you in the next video.